Hello everyone, welcome back to 2 to 3 minutes. Today we share valuable tips and tricks to help you navigate the professional landscape. We're diving into the world of LinkedIn and uncovering some great tips to enhance your job search. Are you ready to boost your career? Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about optimizing your LinkedIn profile. A complete and compelling profile can make all the difference. Make sure to have a professional photo, a catchy headline, and a detailed summary highlighting your skills and experiences. Remember, this is your digital resume. Now let's discuss networking. Connect with professionals in your industry. Join relevant groups and engage in conversations. Networking is not just about collecting connections. It's about building relationships. Don't be afraid to reach out and start a conversation with people you admire in your field. Want to stand out in your job search? Incorporate relative keywords throughout your profile. Recruiters often use specific terms when looking for candidates. Do some research on the key terms in your industry and sprinkle them naturally throughout your profile. Don't be shy about showcasing your achievements. Use the projects and publications section to highlight your work. Quantify your accomplishment whenever possible. Numbers speak volumes and grabs the attention of potential employers. This one's really important. Encourage colleagues and supervisors to endorse your skills and write recommendations. These testimonials add credibility to your profile and provide a deeper insight into your capabilities. Now let's talk about job searching on LinkedIn. Use the job search feature to explore opportunities and set up job alerts to stay informed about new postings. When applying, customize your application for each job to showcase how your skills align with the specific requirements of that position. Engage with content as much as possible. Like, comment, and share posts related to your industry. This not only demonstrates your interests, but also increases your visibility within your network. There you have it. Some LinkedIn tips and tricks to supercharge your job search. Remember, LinkedIn is a powerful tool when used strategically. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe as it supports our channel. Until next time.